My name is Andrzej Brzezinski, and I'm an orthopedic surgeon specializing in joint replacement at University Orthopaedic Associates. What inspired me to become an orthopedic surgeon is the fact that as an orthopedist, I can really change the patient's life. It's very rewarding to myself when I'm fixing the complex problem, but for the patients, is to improve the quality of life. What's unique about my practice is the fact that I'm not dedicated to the only one joint. With my training in hip, knee, and ankle replacement, I can fix complex problems of the lower extremity. As an orthopedic surgeon, I'm focusing on the management of the lower extremity pathologies, including traumatic injury, sport-related injury, but also treatment of osteoarthritis. My philosophy is to listen to the patients. Most of the patients coming with very complex problems, and sometimes this problem is not related to one joint. There are patients who coming with the knee pain, but when you examine them, it turns out that the hip is the main problem. Focusing on these joints give the patients the most relief. My future goals for UOA is to offer the patients the highest quality of care with a little diversity, which offer the best possible outcome for our patients. All my free time is dedicated to my family. I'm a husband, I'm a father of 3 exceptional kids. I spend all my free time with them. We're playing computer games, we're going outside, we spend time together.